This is the intro for week 3, assignment 3. So you will be in your week 3 folder, and basically what you are going to be doing is if you click on the assignment, it is a submitting assignment, so you will submit something to me. So first thing you need to do is watch the video. This one is much shorter. It is only about a minute and a half, I believe. Yep. And basically it has no words. And what you need to do is, as you are going through and watching it, you are to be writing down what do you think the correct posture is for using a computer correctly. Okay, so there are like 3 or 4 different scenarios so that you can um, come up with between 5 and 10 things that you should do when you are typing to type correctly. It makes it easier for you to type, etc. So the second thing, then once you are done with that, you are going to um, go to your typingtest.com like we did before, and you're going to take your test twice. You're going to take it the way you usually do, sitting on your bed, wherever it is that you do, and you're going to take the test and you're going to remember what the number is. Then you're going to take it again, following the steps that it just showed you to do. So whatever steps you see in that video that you should do to have correct posture, you're going to take it again. Then I just, underneath the 5 to 10 different things, I want you to write one sentence, at least one sentence, that tells me, well, I think that this one is better, it made it easier for me to focus, whatever it is that you need it to say. Please do not say those words. I was giving you a suggestion example. So once you have done, so basically you are putting your 5 to 10 ways based on the video, and then you are putting in one sentence of how you did with doing what's in the video and without doing what's in the video. You can give me a summary of it. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.